This is a final video to fix fans not showing up after a Windows update in Lian Li builds. Are you facing the issue where your fans disappear from monitoring software right after an update? This usually happens because Windows resets driver permissions or conflicts with fan control software, making your system unable to detect them properly. Many solutions on YouTube or social media are complicated, asking you to reinstall multiple programs or edit hidden system files, which can be confusing and risky. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that works in just a few clicks to make all your fans appear again without messing with tricky settings. You simply refresh the fan controller driver through Device Manager and restart the fan software, and your fans show up instantly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll guide you through every single move to get your Lian Li build running smoothly again.